Let's talk about sales pages on ChatGPT and how you can write sales pages in seconds that are super optimized for your target audience. Here we are on ChatGPT. The one thing that I will show you first, and this will be perfect for you because you can choose the framework that ChatGPT will use to write this sales page. And this is important for marketing, guys. So we can come here and we will ask ChatGPT, can you list out the copywriting frameworks that you can write in? And let me show you what are the results. So it will give you a few frameworks for marketing, for copywriting that you can use for your sales page. And this is important because depending on the business that you have, you may want to use one framework instead of the other. So you see here, the first one is AIDA, which is the most popular framework in marketing for years, even before digital marketing. It's called Attention, Interest, Desire, and Action. And there is an explanation here about what it is exactly. The second one is PAS, which is Problem, Agitation, and Solution. The third one is Feature, Advantages, and Benefits. So it will basically list first the features, the advantages, and the benefits of your product on the sales page. You see storytelling. They have also the before and after bridge. It will show before and after. Before your product, after your product, before your product, after your product, which is fantastic for some products. Also the 4 P's, promise, picture, proof, and push. This works with specific products that are more visual for the buyer. Okay, so in this case, you can read about this and you may have different options. So depending on your account, depending on the chat where you are, the history of the chat box that you are using, it may suggest you different options. So I will go right now with the FAB, the feature, advantages, and benefits, or maybe we can go with the before and after bridge, or with the AIDA or the problem, agitation, and solution. You can choose the one that you want, and if you are not sure, just generate 2 or 3 sales pages, each one with a different framework. Read all the sales pages and see which one is more irresistible for you as a business owner thinking on your audience. So this is fantastic. So now that we have this, we just come here and let's say that we will go with the FAB. Features, advantages, and benefits on this example. Copy this. So I just come here and say, write a complete sales page to sell, and you need to tell ChatGPT what is exactly the product that you are selling. In this case, I'll say that is to sell an online course about email marketing, which is the example we are using. We will say and we paste here the FAB, features, advantages, and benefits framework, and write with our buyer persona in mind. So it will optimize the sales page for the buyer persona. Let's see what we have here. So we asked the chat to write an online page to sell your product, in this case, an online course about email marketing, using the framework, which is, in this case, FAB, the features, advantages, and benefits. And we asked the chat to keep in mind our buyer persona, which is fantastic because the copy will be optimized for this specific target audience that we have. And you see here, it's saying that it gives you the subject. You see here, transform your email marketing strategy and boost your business with our comprehensive course. And you see, dear Sarah, as a small business owner, it knows that Sarah is a small business owner because it's on the buyer persona, on the target audience we created earlier in the course. And you see here all the features, the advantages, the benefits of the course. So this is written in that specific copywriting framework. Fantastic, is outstanding, guys. So this is one example. Let me stop generating here. And again, before we move, you see here that the framework is that one, the features, advantages, and benefits. Let's change this so I can come here to the chat and I can copy and paste in a new conversation, or I can edit this if I want. So let me grab another one, the before and after bridge. Okay, Let's see what we have. So I will still say, okay, write a complete sales page to sell an online course about email marketing. Use the, and let me change this. Use the before and after bridge framework and write with our buyer persona in mind. Let's see what we have now. Let's see if the framework changes. And that's my suggestion. Choose 2 or 3 frameworks and generate different sales pages for each one of these. Read the sales page and you can use the one that is most optimized. So you see here, it's saying before you are struggling to reach your target audience and get poor results, and after, what if you could learn proven strategies and techniques that dramatically improve your business? And the bridge you see here at my company, we help people like you with this, and this. So you see that it's super optimized specifically for your target audience and following the framework that we are suggesting here. I hope you do this from now on, because your life will be way easier to sit down and write these pages. When it's ready, you can edit, make sure it has your style, and after that you can just test it with your clients and see the sales coming. See you in the next video.